Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Tunes. I know you must be a teacher or want to be a teacher. Not a teacher? No problem. In this video, I gonna show you 6 cool and latest apps which are very helpful in our profession. You really love these tools. Every teacher must know these tools. Of course, they are also useful to others. Okay, cool. I don't want to waste your time. Just have a look. But don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video. Ready? Go! Number 1. CamFind Visual Search Engine. Generally how we search the internet. Okay, we just type in Google or Yahoo search engine, right? But there is a very interesting app. With this app, we can search the physical world. No typing, no finding. This is a visual search engine. You can search through by an object. Just take a picture of any object to learn or find about it. Just have a look about this app. Number 2. Voice-Aloud Reader. Nowadays everyone is busy. Sometimes we don't have time to read our emails or files. Don't worry. This app helps you a lot. With this app, you can listen web pages, emails, PDF, text documents. It reads everything for you. How cool it is. Just have a look
pressing the share
on this
button in
app,
the menu
how
or
it
toolbar
works.
there and selected voice icon. You may also copy text in any app, then press menu, paste text in at voice. Please note that the quality of voice you hear Our clients hire us to post their properties, studios, apartments, houses or holiday houses.
Number 3. Camscanner. I think you already have this app in your mobile, but I just want to tell you how to use it. If we want to send an image or document or a letter to somebody, then this app lets you take a clear and sharp image and we can send it by email or WhatsApp, or can store to cloud. Just watch how to use this app. Number 4. Gboard, the Google keyboard. This is a special keyboard from Google. If your phone is having update version, then it is already there in your phone. If not, you can download it from the Play Store. This app lets you make fast and smart typing with search, GIF, stickers and emojis and more. Easy to use. What suggestions make your typing faster and faster? You can type in any language. You can add stickers, GFs, emojis to your document. You can translate instantly into any language. It also supports voice typing. How cool it is. Really, I love this app. If you have any problem, share your views on my comment section and watch my video for complete details about how to use this app. Watch now. Number 5. Speech Note, the voice typing app. This is an awesome app. This app lets you take non-stop continuous dictation of notes. Now no need of typing. Just open this app. Speak what you want to type. This app makes a note. You can edit or add to your note later. You can dictate it in any language. You can share the note to others. Really an amazing app. Just download it from the Google Play Store. You will definitely surprised. For more details, watch my video on speech notes. Number 6. Epic. This is an awesome app for learning. It is a very useful app for teachers and students. There are millions of ebooks, e-reader books, videos, songs, everything in this app. You can play them on any device and can show your children on big screens also. This is an amazing app for learners. Your kids definitely addicted to this app if they watched it once. Have a look at it. Okay guys, these are my 6 apps for you. I have briefly explained for each app in this video. If you want more details and how to use them more effectively on any app, watch my videos on that app. Thank you very much for watching this video. I think you really enjoyed this. All apps are available in the Play Store, or you can download them from the links I have given in the description. Please give your valuable comments and subscribe my channel and share your friends. Thank you very much.